Hello, learners. Welcome back to class. I know you have been waiting for this class. Yes, so welcome back to our alphabet writing class. So today we'll be writing letter E. Letter E. So let's go. Straight down, dash, dash, and dash. Letter E. Straight down, dash, dash, and dash. Very simple, right? Now pick your pencil. We'll be writing it together now. Your pencil and your notebook. Let's go. Straight down. Have you done that? Put your dash at the top. Let's clean it now. Let's go. Straight down, dash, dash, and dash. Letter E. So let's take it one more time. Let me clean this one. Let me clean it. Okay, yeah, let's go. Straight down, dash, dash, and dash. Good of you. Well done. Yes, so we have successfully written letter E. This is letter E. So keep writing, keep writing, keep writing till I come your way in our next alphabet. Bye.